Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am back with another informative video. So the topic of discussion is high RPM trading platforms for the beginners that are commission free. So basically here we will discuss that 10 brokers that are commission free and trading. So talking about the topic, we'll discuss here the trend of commission free online trading platforms, making investing more accessible to more people, especially as account minimums disappear. It's important to understand that when an online broker offers commission free trading, it really just means they don't change their own fee for helping execute the trade. There might still be other fees involved, remember too, and that exchange traded funds, ETFs, or the mutual funds comes with expense ratios, and those fees are still charged even if there isn't commission for buying the selling fund. So as with any investment, it's vital to know what you are getting into and understanding the terms and ensure you are prepared for the potential losses. If you are looking for a commission free online broker for your investment needs, here are the 10 that don't change their trading fees. First one is Robinhood. Its rating is 4.3 out of 5. Then Charles Schwab, it's 4.8 out of 5. Fidelity, its rating is 4.8 out of 5. Then Merrill Edge, its rating is 4.5 out of 5. And the Allen West, 4.5 out of 5. E-Trade, its rating is also 4.3 out of 5. Then Webull, or its rating is quite low, about 3.8 out of 5. And then Public, its rating is 4.1 out of 5. Then Vanguard, its rating is 3.9 out of 5, not so good. So the Trade Station, its rating is 4.3 out of 5, the at the normal rate. So Robinhood, when Robinhood first launched its first service offering the ability to trade stocks and the ETFs without commissions, it made a bit of the splash. The company ended up leading the way, and other more established discount brokers have followed suit. Robinhood is well known for making it easy to trade stocks. It even has 24/7 support to help you out of any binds day or night. You can trade US listed stocks, ETFs, options, and the over the counter securities for zero commission even after hours on weekdays. There are also a robo-advisor strategy available for as low as 0.25 annual management fee. You will need to invest at least $50 to get started, and accounts with less than $500 are invested solely in ETFs. More than $500 provide access to the ETFs and the individual stocks. Robinhood doesn't have as many research tools available as some of the other online discount brokers, but for those who are looking for a great mobile app and easy way to trade, it's a solid choice. So find your financial advisor. Finding a financial advisor who understands your unique situation doesn't have to be difficult. Advisor find that you quickly browse and research, connect with financial advisors. Then when we talk about the Charles Schwab, known as the pioneer discount broker with over 50 years under its belt, Charles Schwab Corp's free trading applies to the ETFs, stocks, fractional shares, and the Schwab mutual funds. So options trades also have no commissions, but there is 65 cent per fee per contract. There is no account minimum for the self-directed accounts, so opening an account and funding is relatively easy. Schwab also offers several research tools and educational materials. On top of that, the broker has an automated investing platform, intelligent portfolio For those interested in a robo-advisor product, although you will need at least $5,000 to get started, but once you start, there is no commission, no advisory fee, and for the surface, which is an impressive deal. So then comes the fidelity. You may think of fidelity investments mainly in terms of the retirement account management. That's certainly the company's bread and butter, but Fidelity also has its own discount online trading platform that doesn't require an account minimum. There are no fees for maintaining the account, no for if and when you decide to close your account. On the top of that, you can trade US stocks, ETFs, and options without paying commissions, although a 65 cent per contract fee applies to the options. All of the firm's proprietary mutual funds are also trade for free along with many non-fidelity mutual funds. Because it's fidelity, it's no surprise there are many investment education and the research tools you can use to help make informed investing decisions. These include for free research reports from more than 20 independent analysis. So then comes the Merrill Edge. For Bank of the America Corp customers, the natural choice for the commission-free broker may be Merrill Edge. The Bank of America subsidiary allows you to link your bank account with your Merrill Edge brokerage account, so you can view and manage your everything for the one platform. The platform may also offer commission-free trading online for the stocks and ETFs. Its self-directed brokerage accounts to complement a fairly robust suite for the research tools. Options also trade free but come with the familiar 65 cent per contract fee with no account minimum. For the self-directed accounts, it's easy to get started. There is $100,000 minimum to use Merrill Guide Investing, which combines tech and human expertise. New clients who open an individual retirement account or the cash management account can even qualify for $600 sign-up bonus. Then comes the Ally Invest. Ally Financial originally started an online bank offering high yield accounts. Now it also offers investment services. Ally Invest will let you open an account with no minimum unless you want to a margin which requires a $2,000 initial deposit. You can also trade stocks, options, ETFs, and no lead mutual funds without worrying about the trading commissions. There is also a 50 cent per contract fee for the options trades at Grow. So it also has some solid investment education resources and the offer access to the screeners, charts, or the analysis, including tip ranks, smarts, or for the stocks to help you make informed decisions. Or if you prefer a more hands-off approach, you can use the broker's robo-advisor option with no management fees and the low $100 account minimum. So it does keep 30% of your portfolio in cash. However, for a lower cash reserve, you would need to pay 0.3% per year for a robo-advisor account that keeps only 2% in the cash. So when talk about the e-trades, how many remember the e-trade baby and those clever commercials? Well, E-Trade has gone from being one of the more expensive brokers in the past to offering zero commissions on the US listed stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and options. There is a typical 65% contract fee for the options, but you can get the reduced to 50 cents per contract if you make at least 30 trades per quarter. There is no account minimum requirement, so that creates a situation where it can make sense to get started. E-Trade also offers a few different platforms and charting options to better analyze the data and choose investments that are most likely to help and meet your goals. Webble, a newer addition to online brokerage industry, Webble has proven itself to be a great option for the commission-free trading. So that was all about the topic. Hope this will have been beneficial for you. So do subscribe the channel for more videos.